What's up, guys? It's Sam here. I'm in beautiful Budapest, Hungary. We're crossing the Danube Bridge, Danube River, right here. We were with a tour right now. We're discussing the politics, World War II, how Hungary got affected, how a lot of people died, which impacted a lot of people, which created a culture, a specific culture. And it got me thinking how leadership creates culture. And I see that in a lot of companies where, CEOs or owners or whatever, they're telling me I want to create a culture and I want you to do that for me. And then I tell them, no, my friend, this is your job. You're the leader. You're the guy at the top. You're the guy that's going to create the leadership and the culture, and you're going to lead by example. And what I want to say to you is that if you're at the top, it doesn't mean that you are fit to lead or that you're going to create a safe culture or a safe environment for people to thrive. You think about Hitler. He was leading, but at the same time, he had evil in him. He had hate, which created a culture, which impacted the whole region. So, if you want to create a culture, you have to be fit mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually in order to lead, create a culture of high impact, high growth, and a positive environment where people can thrive.